Badger set. Unearth its meaning. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the phrase, badger set. It might not be a term you come across daily, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the exact meaning of badger set, let's dissect the two words individually. Badger. A badger is a mammal, known for its distinct black and white face. They're mostly found in Europe and North America. Set. Now, set has multiple meanings in English. It can mean to place something somewhere, a group of items, or even a mindset. But in this context, it has a very specific definition. Let's dive into that next. So, combining our understanding from the previous section, a badger set doesn't refer to a collection of badgers or placing a badger somewhere. Instead, a badger set refers to the burrow or the den where badgers live. It's their underground home, complete with a network of tunnels and chambers. It's where they sleep, give birth, and take shelter. For English learners, this is a great example of how two common words can come together to form a specific term. And it's always fun to learn about nature-related terms in a new language, isn't it? Understanding a term is great, but knowing how to use it in a sentence is even better. Here are some examples. 1. While hiking through the woods, we stumbled upon a badger set. 2. Badgers are nocturnal animals, so they're mostly active at night and return to their badger set during the day. 3. It's important not to disturb a badger set, as it's a protected habitat in many countries. And there you have it. Now you know what a badger set is and how to use it in a sentence. English is full of these unique phrases and terms, and it's always exciting to add another one to your vocabulary. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!